Welcome back, students. You know we are doing chapter 3, pair of linear equations in two variables. In the last lecture we studied problem sums of this chapter which can be solved by either of the three methods, that is substitution, elimination or cross multiplication method. Now let us move ahead in this chapter. Students, till now we studied how to obtain solution of equations which are in the linear form. Now we are going to study about equations which are reducible to a pair of linear equations in two variables. So in this section we shall discuss about the solution of equations which are not linear, but they can be reduced to linear by making suitable substitution. So let us see how it can be done. Example 17. Solve the pair of equations 2 by x plus 3 by y is equal to 13, 5 by x minus 4 by y is equal to minus 2. Now students, you know that the general form of a pair of linear equation in two variables is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Now these equations are not in the standard form. So now we will see how to convert these equations in the standard form and obtain its solution. For this, let us write the given pair of equations as 2 into 1 by x plus 3 into 1 by y is equal to 13 and 5 into 1 by x minus 4 into 1 by y is equal to minus 2, and call these equations as equation 1 and equation 2 respectively. Now let 1 by x is equal to p and 1 by y is equal to q, and substitute this in equation 1 and equation 2. So we will get 2p plus 3q is equal to 13 and 5p minus 4q is equal to minus 2. So now you can see that they are in the standard form of linear equations. Now you can use any method to solve these equations. Here in your textbook they have not solved it, directly they have given the value of p and q which is obtained by solving these equations. On solving we will get p is equal to 2 and q is equal to 3. Now p is equal to 1 by x and q is equal to 1 by y. So 1 by x is equal to 2, which means that x is equal to 1 by 2, and 1 by y is equal to 3, which means that y is equal to 1 by 3. So the solution is x is equal to 1 by 2 and y is equal to 1 by 3. Students, here for your understanding I have solved these equations so that you can understand how values of p and q are obtained by elimination method. In the exam also you have to solve the equations and obtain the values. Example 18. Solve the following pair of equations by reducing them to a pair of linear equations. 5 upon x minus 1 plus 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to 2 and 6 upon x minus 1 minus 3 upon y minus 2 is equal to 1. So here let 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to p and 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to q. Now the above equations can be written as 5 into 1 by x minus 1 plus 1 by y minus 2 is equal to 2 and 6 into 1 by x minus 1 minus 3 into 1 by y minus 2 is equal to 1. So the equations can be written as 5p plus q is equal to 2 and 6p minus 3q is equal to 1. By solving these equations by any of the method, that is substitution, elimination or cross multiplication, you will get p is equal to 1 by 3 and q is equal to 1 by 3. Now we know that p is equal to 1 upon x minus 1. So 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to 1 by 3, and taking reciprocal we will get x minus 1 is equal to 3, which means that x is equal to 4. Similarly 1 by y minus 2 is equal to q. So 1 by y minus 2 is equal to 1 by 3. Taking reciprocal we will get y minus 2 is equal to 3. So y is equal to 5. So the solution is x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 5. Example 19. A boat goes 30 km upstream and 44 km downstream in 10 hours. In 13 hours, it can go 40 km upstream and 55 km downstream. Determine the speed of stream and that of the boat in still water. Students, this type of question is very important. Frequently, such questions are asked in the exam. So, understand it properly and practice it many times. Here we are asked to find the speed of stream and that of boat in still water. So let the speed of boat in still water be x km per hour and speed of stream be y km per hour. We know that when a boat goes downstream, its speed increases with respect to speed of stream. So speed of boat downstream will be x plus y km per hour, that is speed of boat in still water plus speed of stream. And similarly, when a boat goes upstream, its speed decreases with respect to speed of stream. So the speed of boat upstream will be speed of boat in still water minus speed of stream, that is equal to x minus y km per hour. Now we know that speed is equal to distance upon time. From this we will get time is equal to distance upon speed. Now in the first case, when boat goes 30 km upstream, let the time taken in hour be t1. So t1 is equal to 30 by x minus y. 30 is the distance covered and x minus y is the speed in upstream. Let t2 be the time in hours taken by boat to go 44 km downstream. So according to the formula, time is equal to distance upon speed, we will get t2 is equal to 44 by x plus y. Now total time taken in the first case is 10 hours. So time taken for upstream plus time taken for downstream is equal to 10 hours. That is 30 by x minus y plus 44 by x plus y is equal to 10. Call it as equation number 1. Similarly, in the second case, it takes 13 hours to go 40 km upstream and 55 km downstream. So same way we can obtain this equation as 45x minus y plus 55 by x plus y is equal to 13. Call it as equation number 2. Now let 1 upon x minus y is equal to u and 1 upon x plus y is equal to v. You can take it as p and q also if you want. On substituting 1 upon x minus y is equal to u and 1 upon x plus y is equal to v in equation 1 and equation 2, we will get 30u plus 44v is equal to 10 and 40u plus 55v is equal to 13. Or in the standard form it can be written as 30u plus 44v minus 10 is equal to 0 and 40u plus 55v minus 13 is equal to 0. Now they have used cross multiplication method to solve these equations. You can use elimination method or substitution method also if you want. Now by cross multiplication we will get u upon 44 into minus 13 minus 55 into minus 10 is equal to v upon 40 into minus 10 minus 30 into minus 13. That is equal to 1 upon 30 into 55 minus 44 into 40. On solving we will get u upon minus 22 is equal to v upon minus 10 is equal to 1 upon minus 110. That is u upon minus 22 is equal to 1 upon minus 110, which means that u is equal to 1 by 5. Similarly, v upon minus 10 is equal to 1 upon minus 110, which means that v is equal to 1 by 11. 1 by x minus y is equal to u. Therefore, 1 by x minus y is equal to 1 by 5. And 1 by x plus y is equal to v. Therefore, 1 by x plus y is equal to 1 by 11. On taking reciprocal, we will get x minus y is equal to 5 and x plus y is equal to 11. Solving these equations by elimination method, we will get 2x is equal to 16, which means that x is equal to 8. Substituting x is equal to 8 in any of the equation, we will get 2y is equal to 6, which means that y is equal to 3. So speed of boat in still water is x is equal to 8 km per hour and speed of stream is y is equal to 3 km per hour. Now students, let us solve some of the questions of your exercise. 2 women and 5 men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days, while 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. Find the time taken by 1 woman alone to finish the work and also that time taken by 1 man alone. So here suppose that 1 woman can finish the work in x days and 1 man alone can finish the work in y days. Now 1 woman can finish total work in x days. So the work done by 1 woman in 1 day will be 1 by x part of it. And similarly work done by 1 man in 1 day will be 1 by part of it. So work done by 2 women and 5 men together in one day will be 2 by x plus 5 by y part. But according to first information given, 2 women and 5 men together finish the work in 4 days. So in one day they together can finish 1 by 4th part of the work. So we get the following equation as 2 by x plus 5 by y is equal to 1 by 4. Similarly, from second information given, we can get 3 by x plus 6 by y is equal to 1 by 3. Now, taking 1 by x is equal to a and 1 by y is equal to b, in both the equations we will get 2a plus 5b is equal to 1 by 4 and 3a plus 6b is equal to 1 by 3. Now for solving these equations, we will use elimination method. For this, multiplying equation 3 by 6 and equation 4 by 5, we will get 12a plus 30b is equal to 6 by 4 and 15a plus 30b is equal to 5 by 3. Call it as equation 5 and equation 6 respectively. Now subtracting equation 5 from equation 6, we will get 15a plus 30b minus 12a plus 30b is equal to 5 by 3 minus 6 by 4. That is 15a plus 30b minus 12a minus 30b is equal to 20 minus 18 by 12. LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. So we will get 3a is equal to 2 by 12, which means that a is equal to 1 by 18. Now substituting value of a is equal to 1 by 18 in equation 3, we will get 2 into 1 by 18 plus 5b is equal to 1 by 4, which means that 5b is equal to 1 by 4 minus 1 by 9. LCM of 9 and 4 is 36, so we will get 5b is equal to 5 upon 36, which means that b is equal to 1 by 36. Now a is equal to 1 by x is equal to 1 by 18. So on taking reciprocal, we will get x is equal to 18 and b is equal to 1 by y is equal to 1 by 36. So on taking reciprocal, we will get y is equal to 36, which means that one woman alone can finish the work in 18 days and one man alone can finish the work in 36 days. Next question is, Ruhi travels 300 km to home partly by train and partly by bus. She takes 4 hours if she travels 60 km by train and remaining by bus. If she travels 100 km by train and remaining by bus, she takes 10 minutes longer. Find the speed of train and speed of bus separately. So students, we are asked to find the speed of train and speed of bus separately. So let the speed of train be x km per hour and speed of bus be y km per hour. Now you know the equation that speed is equal to distance upon time. From this we will get time is equal to distance upon speed. Now in first case, Ruhi is traveling 60 km by train and remaining 240 km by bus. Total distance she traveled is 30 km and from this she traveled 60 km by train. So remaining will be 300 minus 60, that is equal to 240, which she traveled by bus. So according to the formula, time is equal to distance by speed, we will get time taken for journey by train is 60 by x hour and time taken for journey by bus is 240 by y hour. So total time taken will be 60 by x plus 240 by y hours. In the first case, total time taken is equal to 4 hours. Hence, we get the equation as 60 by x plus 240 by y is equal to 4. Call it as equation number 1. Similarly, in the second case, distances she travels by train and by bus are 100 km and 200 km respectively. So time taken by those journeys are 100 by x hour and 200 by y hour respectively. And in this case, the total time taken is 4 hours plus 10 minutes more extra. That is equal to 4 integer 1 by 6 hours. So we will get the equation as 100 by x plus 200 by y is equal to 4 integer 1 by 6. Therefore 100 by x plus 200 by y is equal to 25 by 6. Call it as equation number 2. Now taking 1 by x is equal to a and 1 by y is equal to b in both the equations, we will get 60a plus 240b is equal to 4 and 100a plus 200b is equal to 25 by 6. Now for solving by elimination method, multiply equation 3 by 5 and equation 4 by 6. Why you have to multiply equation 3 by 5 and equation 4 by 6? For comparing the coefficients of b. Here you can see that first equation coefficient of b is 240 and in the second equation it is 200. Both are multiples of 40. 40 into 6 is 240 and 40 into 5 is 200. So for equating coefficients of b, equation 3 is multiplied by 5 and 4 is multiplied by 6. So we will get 300a plus 1200b is equal to 20 and 600a plus 1200b is equal to 25. Subtracting equation 5 from equation 6, we will get 600a plus 1200b minus 300a plus 1200b is equal to 25 minus 20. That is 300a is equal to 5, which means that a is equal to 1 by 60. Now substituting a is equal to 1 by 60 in equation 3, we will get 60 into 1 by 60 plus 240b is equal to 4. That is 1 plus 240b is equal to 4, which means that 240b is equal to 3 and b is equal to 1 by 80. Now we know that a is equal to 1 by x, that is equal to 1 by 60, which means that x is equal to 60, and b is equal to 1 by y, that is equal to 1 by 80. So we'll get y is equal to 80. So speed of train is 60 km per hour and speed of bus is 80 km per hour. So students, this was all for this lecture. We conclude this lecture over here, or we can say that we conclude this chapter over here. This chapter is very important. Prepare it very well.